Find a suitable location to mount the control box, usually on the skirt of your spa. Keep it out of sunlight, and other recommendations are made in the manual. For best results, place your electrode in the deepest location of your spa, and a vertical orientation will provide you the best amount of chlorine. For your MegaChlor, the white, green, and blue lights will blink. When you see bubbles coming from the electrode, you know it's generating chlorine. To view the power level, simply press the up or down button and count the white light flashes. Before you change the power level, press the up and down buttons at the same time, then adjust from there. The boost button is an easy way to start or stop a chlorine production cycle. Once boost is selected, the green and blue lights will flash. For more information, visit us online, and thank you for your consideration.